The 5 is next to the x, right?
Yeah, so the five is on the same side as the x,
Correct.
but it's not being, but there's no x in it. So
Correct.
we want to deal with our five first. So how do we basically remove the five from this side?
How we remove it?
Mm-hmm.
Um, how will we remove
Do you
it?
want me to hold that for you?
No, it's okay. I got it. Can we could divide it, right?
So what how is what is that five doing to the x?
It's subtracting it,
Yeah.
so we can't add it or anything like another
So we
5.
don't want to add because we want to remember we have this positive five here. We need to get we don't want it on this side anymore.
-5 by -5.
Show me what you mean by that.
Can I divide it like -5 and then -5 or something?
So we don't want it. We can't just put a negative in front of here
Okay.
like that. So we have. So again, let's go back to this idea. I think again the division is kind of throwing us for a loop when it doesn't need to. If we had a 5 minus x equals 7. So I'm changing this problem a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to take away the division. What would you do in this case?
What would I do in this case?
Yeah.
What? I'll add it. 5. No, I would subtract it.
There you go. Good.
I keep on getting mixed up. Okay.
Yeah.
So I would subtract the 5 and then with the
Yep.
5.
All right, good. So let's go back to over here. So the only thing
Because
that's
I want to make this into a 0.
yeah.
So, okay, so it will be a 5 and then this will be a 5. I don't do anything on a 2x, right?
Yeah, we're not working with that part right now, so
Okay.
we're gonna bring it with us, but we're not gonna do anything with it yet.
Okay. So,
Yep.
and then this will be 2.
That's correct.
So, yeah.
Mhm.
And then I'll bring the x and the 2 down equal and the negative, right?
The negative, very good. Yeah.
Okay. So what will I do next? Multiply it by 2.
That's correct.
2, 2. Okay. 2. This will be the same. 2 times is 4.
Yeah, there you go.
This -2, right?
So if you make this one negative, you have to make this one negative.
No, so
What you've done right now is fine.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is a 4 then.
No, because this is on the numerator and this
Okay.
is in the denominator.
Okay.
So they cancel.
Okay, so they cancel. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be still like this.
Yep.
So that's why I was confused. I'm like,
Yep.
just by looking at the negative, so I try to find ways. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't let that get to me.
Yeah. So what you've done right now is correct. Yeah.
Okay.
You're good so far.
Next thing, I get it now. 1 and then -1, because the x is a 1 pretty much.
Yeah, so it's 1x. So x and 1x are the same thing, right?
Correct.
So there's a negative here, it's negative 1x. Yeah.
Correct. Okay, so this cancel out, and this will be x by itself now, and then there 4 divided by -1, -4, from -4.
Very good.
Okay.
All right.